Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to use use Touch ID Face ID for Wells Fargo's mobile. Biometric login saves time and is secure. Set it up in just a few taps. First of all, log in from the app and open settings. Then select security. After that, sign in on preferences and then enable Touch ID or Face ID. Follow device prompts to authenticate and save. Test by signing out and using biometric sign-on. And also, while doing all these, make sure to turn on mobile data to rule out network issues. Also, if that is not possible, make sure that you're on a stable Wi-Fi so the app operates smoothly. Tip: if your device has multiple fingerprints, delete and re-add them for best reliability. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.